What if our planet is already home to creations so unseen, so unreal, they feel almost impossible in the age of limits we think we know? Shock begins high in the misty mountains of central Vietnam, where the Golden Bridge appears to float above the forest, held aloft by colossal stone hands. A structure less like a crossing and more like a vision, blurring the line between landscape and imagination. It echoes across the Nevada desert in the United States, where the Sphere in Las Vegas risen as the largest spherical structure ever built. Wrapped in millions of LEDs, it transforms architecture into a living surface, capable of turning light, data, and motion into an entirely new form of spectacle. And the scale intensifies in China, where the Siduhe Bridge stretches across a deep karst canyon. Suspended hundreds of meters above the void, it ranks among the highest bridges on Earth, a razor-thin thread of steel defying gravity, distance, and fear itself. These are mega projects that challenge physics, geography, and the edges of our collective imagination. In the moments ahead, you'll step into mountains, cities, and extreme frontiers where humanity is quietly rewriting what can and cannot be built. The blueprint of the impossible is expanding, and the next boundary may be closer than anyone expects. What you're about to see may change how you view the world we think we already understand. Wuhan Skyrail. As cities grow denser and space on the ground disappears, a question begins to rise above the skyline. How do modern cities keep moving when streets are already full and the underground is exhausted? In central China, one answer arrives not on the road or beneath it, but in the open air itself. Suspended more than 30 feet above the ground, an elevated single rail system glides across rivers, rooftops, and traffic, carving out a new layer of urban movement. Instead of expanding outward or digging deeper, engineers chose to build upward, transforming unused sky into working infrastructure. The trains operate without drivers, guided by automation, sensors, and artificial intelligence that maintain balance and spacing with precise control. Each carriage is designed with expansive glass windows that extend down toward the floor, with select sections using transparent panels that allow passengers to look directly below at streets, rivers, and parks sliding past beneath their feet. Lightweight carriages reduce structural stress and cut energy consumption to nearly half that of traditional subway networks, while noise levels remain low enough to blend into daily life. On test sections stretching roughly 6 miles, trains approach speeds of 50 miles per hour, proving that elevated transit can rival underground systems. With fewer support columns and modular construction, build times can shrink to just 2 years, reducing cost and disruption in crowded districts. This is more than a train line. It is an experiment in three-dimensional mobility where science, geography, and urban history converge to redefine how cities move through space. Golden Bridge. High above the forests of central Vietnam, a question quietly takes shape in the clouds. What happens when architecture stops competing with nature and begins to collaborate with it? At an elevation of nearly 4,600 feet above sea level, a pedestrian bridge curves gently through mist and shifting mountain air, appearing less built than imagined. Stretching approximately 528 feet in length, the structure seems to float between ridgelines, supported by two colossal stone hands that resemble ancient guardians rising from the earth. Though they appear weathered by centuries, the hands conceal a modern steel framework beneath textured surfaces, blending advanced engineering with the illusion of deep time. Rapid changes in temperature and humidity cause clouds to roll in without warning, often enveloping the walkway in dense fog and producing the sensation of walking through open sky. Shortly after its unveiling, images of the bridge spread across global media, appearing in major international publications and becoming one of the most shared architectural landmarks on Earth. More than a destination, the Golden Bridge represents a new chapter in how Vietnam merges landscape, history, and engineering into a mega project that feels both ancient and unmistakably futuristic. Museum of the Future. Rising along Dubai's skyline, this structure appears not as a monument to history, but as a question mark shaped from steel and light. Its hollow, circular form symbolizes a future still unwritten, with a central void representing what humanity has yet to become. The exterior is wrapped in flowing Arabic calligraphy, enlarged to architectural scale, where words double as windows, filtering daylight through philosophy and language. Behind the skin, the building relies on a radically curved steel framework, engineered through advanced digital simulation and assembled with robotic precision, allowing the structure to stand with almost no traditional support columns. Every metal panel on the facade is unique in shape and curvature, numbering more than 1,000 individual pieces, making it one of the most complex architectural surfaces ever constructed. Inside, the museum abandons the past entirely. Visitors move through immersive environments that explore artificial intelligence, space travel, and bioengineering, including a simulated orbital station set in the year 2071, imagining daily life beyond Earth. Another zone focuses on planetary ecology, examining biodiversity, climate repair, and the science of restoring life systems on a global scale. Rather than showcasing finished inventions, the museum presents evolving ideas and speculative technologies already influencing the world today. At roughly 250,000 square feet, the structure functions as both exhibition space and experimental laboratory. More than a building, it is a scientific narrative, using architecture itself to explore how design, technology, and human imagination may shape the centuries ahead. Siduhe Bridge in China rises in the mountains of central China, where sheer cliffs collapse into narrow canyons and clouds drift like living terrain. Suspended more than 1,600 feet above the valley floor, the bridge stands so high that mist can pass beneath its deck, turning gravity itself into part of the landscape. When it opened, it briefly held the title of the highest bridge on Earth, spanning a gorge so deep and narrow that conventional construction methods were impossible. Engineers worked under relentless wind and dense fog, with visibility often vanishing for days at a time at such extreme elevation. With no access roads to the canyon below, steel and concrete were transported by cable systems stretching several miles across open air, converting the void into a temporary construction corridor. The bridge permanently reshaped regional mobility. Journeys that once required multiple hours along dangerous mountain roads were reduced to just a few minutes, reconnecting isolated communities and trade routes. More than a crossing, Siduhe Bridge proves that modern engineering can suspend an entire transportation lifeline between Earth and sky. Channel Tunnel.
De Middellandse Zee. Gepland.
Noord-Europa? Gepland. Het Caribisch gebied? Gepland. Best holiday ever? Ongepland.
Ontdek de wereld. MSC Cruises. Best holiday ever.
Maak je niet druk, want Weekamp heeft nu zonnige zomerdeals. Met korting tot 30% op alles voor je tuin, tot 30% op alles voor thuis en tot 40% op elektronica. Dus ga naar de Weekamp-app en vind altijd iets voor jou.
tablet bestrijdt vlooien en teken. Attack voor katten. Attack. Doffe huid? Pigmentvlekjes? Probeer de Mixanilacinamide Bright Crème. Een hydratatie.
Beneath one of the busiest seas on Earth, a quiet question once challenged engineers and geologists alike. Could two nations be connected not by ships or skies, but through solid rock beneath the ocean itself? Deep below the English Channel, an underground corridor stretches for nearly 31 miles, forming a hidden link between the United Kingdom and France. More than 23 miles of this passage lies entirely beneath the seabed, with its deepest point reaching roughly 250 feet below sea level, where pressure, water, and geology leave no margin for error. The system is composed of 3 parallel tunnels, 2 carrying high-speed trains in opposite directions, and a central service tunnel designed for maintenance, ventilation, and emergency access. Trains race through the darkness at speeds exceeding 160 miles per hour, compressing the journey between London and Paris to just 2 hours. Massive tunnel boring machines advance simultaneously from both coastlines, navigating through layers of chalk marl, and when they met beneath the sea, the alignment error measured only a few inches, an extraordinary achievement in the era before modern GPS. Construction continued non-stop for nearly 6 years, involving more than 13,000 workers operating across borders, languages, and engineering traditions. The tunnel does not carry cars driven by passengers, but entire vehicles loaded onto specialized trains, redefining how land transport moves across water. More than infrastructure, the Channel Tunnel stands as a triumph of geology, mathematics, and international cooperation, proving that even oceans can be crossed without ever seeing the surface. The sphere. Rising from the neon desert of Nevada, this colossal sphere signals a radical shift in how humans experience entertainment, science, and technology. Towering at roughly 366 feet tall and separating 516 feet wide, it stands as the largest spherical structure ever built for public performance. Its exterior is wrapped in more than 1 million programmable LED lights, transforming the building into a living screen visible from several miles across the Las Vegas Strip, capable of displaying moving images, data patterns, and even planetary surfaces. Inside, audiences are surrounded by a seamless curved display with a resolution exceeding 16K, creating the illusion of standing inside oceans, outer space, or microscopic worlds. Sound travels just as precisely. A beam-forming audio system uses thousands of speakers to direct sound to individual seating zones, allowing different areas to hear entirely